Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should first verify the essentials so the cast can begin. Make sure both the Samsung TV and your phone or laptop are joined to the same Wi-Fi network. Different bands sometimes block discovery. On the TV, enable Device Connect or screen mirroring in the external device manager so it will accept incoming streams. Then on your device, open Smart View, Cast, or AirPlay and start searching for the TV name. Once you see it, tap to initiate the connection and allow any on-screen permission prompts. Once connected, decide whether you want app-level casting or a full device mirror because each behaves differently. For app casting, open the app, tap its cast icon, and select the TV. This reduces lag and preserves original app resolution. For mirroring from a laptop or phone, open Display Settings and select the TV as a second screen, then choose Duplicate or Extend and adjust resolution to match the TV. This prevents cropping. Make sure to accept any permission dialogues on both devices to enable. You're nearly done. Check that audio is routed to the TV and play a short video to confirm sync and clarity. If you notice lag or buffering, move devices closer to the router, switch to the faster 5 GHz band, or connect the TV by Ethernet. These steps reduce packet loss and latency. If casting fails, restart the TV and sending device, toggle Wi-Fi, update Samsung firmware and the casting app, and then try reconnecting. This simple restart often resolves persistent discovery or streaming errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.